this is the Moon Angels Malach Halavana Oracle deck, and that's the only Hebrew in the deck, which means Moon Angels. And yeah, this came out of my work during my time being trained as a Kohenet, Hebrew priestess. And I was really interested in connecting with the cycle of the moon, and a learning that I latched onto, that when you have a feeling, it's an angel visiting you. And I really liked this teaching because it felt very non-patriarchal to me in a society that often tells us to disregard our feelings. I liked the idea of a feeling being an angel visitation, and honestly, before that, I don't even think I knew that angels were a part of Judaism. Since then, learned more about that. But so I latched onto this idea, and I felt that being connected to the cycle of the moon, I was more able to navigate and express my own feelings. And to me, there's a feeling connected with Yiddish for me. And it's a feeling of connection to my ancestors. And I think about their stories and their feelings and the ways that they expressed themselves. And so I asked my friend Anna Elena Torres to translate the titles of the cards into Yiddish. And I really like that. I really like when I pick a card, I often will say the title out loud in Yiddish to evoke a feeling of connection to my ancestors. And I like it because it's very intuitive and intuitive and undefined in what it means per se, besides the connecting feeling. But it does feel like a way of honoring who came before, and also honoring that, my ancestors gave me the gift of my life and give me a lot of inspiration in my day-to-day life that I can't even track or understand, which is a lot like the cards. I made the art very intuitively. Should I hold up some of them?
Please.
Here you can see the backs of them here, and here's some of the fronts of them. I'll do the ancestors card, which is the first one, and the Yiddish is Avosenu. Whispers in the ear, deja vu, butterfly kisses, footprints in the sand, train whistles, the smell of garlic, after dark, clanging bells, handkerchiefs. So the idea is to pick one and let it kind of, pick one to start your day or before you go to bed, and reflect on synchronicities or imagery that comes up related to it. And it's different than, you might have heard of tarot decks. I call it an oracle deck because it's trusting the oracle within yourself to make the connections. Also often I'll pick them around the moon time, different phases of the moon, the new moon for setting intentions, the full moon, or for letting go and then setting intentions is kind of more of the new moon, and the full moon for thinking about what you want to make full in the world. I also wanted to share this other card because it's just really great. So this is the Go card, and in Yiddish it's Yay, and loved that. So that card says, reach out, reach, go, stretch. It will blow your mind and your body. Your mind is going to blow the fuck open. Your body is not going to believe this shit. Go, get it. Obviously, I'm completely irreverent with language in some ways, and completely reverent in others. But, you know, that's kind of what it is to be gay in a lot of ways. To be queer is going for it and finding meaning and making meaning within Judaism for ourselves.